Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best red beard dye is probably one of the most sought-after grooming products for men looking to add a vibrant and stylish touch to their facial hair, offering a way to enhance natural tones or completely transform their look with a bold, fiery hue that can significantly boost confidence and overall appearance, making it a popular choice for those who want to stand out and express their personal style through their beard. Number 5. Adore Semi-Permanent Hair Color, Ruby Red. Discover the stunning vibrancy of Adore Semi-Permanent Hair Color in Ruby Red. Achieve a beautiful, rich red hue that lasts. Our formula is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about the products you use. It's a choice that aligns with your values. Experience hair coloring without the harshness. This dye is formulated without ammonia, peroxide, or alcohol, making it gentle on your hair. Enjoy a beautiful, semi-permanent color that truly lasts. It provides a gorgeous ruby red shade that will turn heads. This 4 fluid ounce bottle offers plenty of product for easy application. Get salon quality results right at home with this convenient size. What we like. This option delivers a stunningly vibrant red hue. Its ammonia-free and vegan formula makes it a kinder choice for your hair and the environment. If you're looking for a bold, temporary color change without harsh chemicals, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The color came out exactly like the picture and looked vibrant and fresh right after I applied it. My hair still felt soft and healthy after rinsing it out. The color has lasted really well and hasn't faded too fast, even after washing several times. The shade turned out vibrant and true to the picture, giving my hair a beautiful, glossy reddish-brown finish. My hair feels soft and healthy, no dryness or damage as I've had with some other dyes. Number 4. Godefroy Hair Color Tint Kit. Tired of gray hairs? Achieve 100% gray coverage with ease. This kit is designed for a perfect blend every time. Get a rich, natural black shade that lasts. It's perfect for maintaining your vibrant hair color between salon visits. No more guesswork or mess. Our pre-measured capsules ensure you use just the right amount, preventing any waste. Why go to the salon when you can get professional results at home? Enjoy a salon-quality experience in the comfort of your own space. This is your go-to solution for quick root touch-ups. Keep your hair looking fresh and flawless with minimal effort. Designed for everyone, this hair color tint kit is suitable for both men and women. Achieve great results regardless of your hair type. What we like. Achieve complete gray coverage with this long-lasting formula. The pre-measured capsules ensure no waste and a simple, at-home application. If you need reliable, full gray coverage that lasts, this is the solution for you. What people say. The color on my brows has stayed longer than the tints from the salon do. It covers the grays very nicely and naturally. It is easy to use and lasts about 2 weeks. Number 3. Blackbeard for Men 1-Day Beard Color. Tired of grays or want to enhance your facial hair? Get a natural-looking color in just minutes. It's the perfect solution for a quick touch-up. This temporary tint is incredibly easy to use, offering a natural blend with your existing hair. Achieve the look you want without any long-term commitment. Not just for beards. Use it to color mustaches, eyebrows, or sideburns for a complete, polished look. It's designed for all your facial hair needs. Our gentle formula is designed to be kind to your skin. It's a great alternative if you're looking for a less harsh option than traditional dyes. Each pack provides up to 45 applications, offering excellent value. Enjoy consistent results and a fresh look, application after application. Achieve a rich, natural brown or auburn shade that seamlessly blends with your hair color. Get the perfect subtle enhancement you've been looking for. What we like. This product offers a temporary tint for your facial hair, perfect for a quick change. Its hypoallergenic nature makes it suitable for sensitive skin. If you want to experiment with different facial hair colors for a single day or event, this is your go-to. What people say. It covers well, looks natural, is easy to apply, doesn't make a mess, and doesn't come off onto your hands after you let it dry. This stuff goes on without much hassle and comes out easily. It stays in for several hours. The color lasts really well. It doesn't rub off easily, in fact it can take 2 to 3 washings to get it completely out. Number 2. Just for Men Mustache and Beard Brush-In Color Gel. Tired of gray hairs in your mustache and beard? Our easy-to-use color gel is designed to blend away grays seamlessly. Get a natural look in just a few minutes. Achieve a natural, fuller appearance with our advanced formula. It targets only the gray hairs, ensuring a perfect match with your original color. No one will know you've colored it. Application is a breeze. Simply brush it in, wait a few minutes, and rinse. It's that simple to refresh your look and feel more confident. Enjoy vibrant, long-lasting color that stays put. Our formula is designed to resist fading, keeping your beard looking its best. It's a reliable solution for managing grays. Specifically formulated for men's facial hair, this gel works effectively on mustaches and beards. It's the perfect grooming tool to maintain your desired look. This convenient pack ensures you have enough product for multiple applications. Keep your facial hair looking sharp and youthful with this great value. What we like. The brush-in application allows for precise targeting of mustaches, beards, and sideburns. It blends naturally with your existing hair color for a seamless look. If you need to quickly enhance or even out your facial hair color, this is incredibly convenient. What people say. This product is a real boon. I am sensitive to chemicals and smells and haven't noticed any ill effects. It gives results as durable as dyes meant for the head while being so much milder. Resulting color not too severe and looks very natural. It leaves a few white strands and looks more normal. Works well on eyebrows too. Number 1. Just for Men Shampoo-In Color H 45. Introducing our easy-to-use Shampoo-In hair color. Achieve a natural look in just 5 minutes. Formulated with keratin and vitamin E, it strengthens your hair while coloring. Get a healthier look and feel. Experience the difference as it works to make your hair stronger. It also helps create a fuller appearance. This shade provides a rich, natural dark brown color. It blends seamlessly with your existing hair for a subtle change. Get great value with this convenient pack of 3. Always have your go-to hair color on hand when you need it. Designed for men, it's the simple solution for gray coverage. Look as young as you feel with ease. What we like. This Shampoo-In color offers ultimate convenience, coloring your hair while you wash. Infused with keratin and vitamin E, it also works to strengthen your hair. If you want a simple, time-saving way to cover grays while improving hair health, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's easy to apply. Put small bottle into the bigger bottle, shake, and apply. I literally only had to have it on for 5 to 10 minutes. It covers the gray great. I have thinning hair and after using this product, my hair is definitely fuller and this lasts for a few days. The color generally lasts me a month, but I usually color approximate every 2 weeks to minimize the roots from showing. The instructions and application is pretty straightforward, so I just shampoo the product along my sides where most of my gray is. I use Vaseline along the scalp of my hairline and neck to make removing any excess color from my skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.